Hey, YouTubers. This is Josh and Casey 100 and NoobTuber 77. We're gonna show you about the gun we made. It's pretty awesome. I made this about a month ago, I think. It's a silencer. Wait.
Okay,
Casey, wait, I'm done. Shut up. Yeah. See, it has black, has a bit of purple, and it's a silencer. It's about big. Okay.
Okay.
Put the big one. I will talk about this one. Okay, this one could be a sniper if you wanted to, like that. We could paint this black so we
could make a machine gun. Putting that in.
Okay, and we're gonna do it tomorrow. It's just like 11 o'clock at night.
Paint it black.
Yeah, we're gonna paint it black, and we're probably gonna cut this out so that it's actually like a trigger. Okay, this is the Amos. The Amos. It's pretty. It's not that good. We're making a new one, like a scope. See, that's about that big.
It's pretty sick.
Yeah, ammo comes out. I just drew this for fun. Ammo. Nothing, but it's pretty thick. All you have to do to make the ammo is grab a piece of paper, just roll it up like that, a big one, then flatten it down like that, but not too much, so you have this kind of shape. And you put two roll two paper up, and you put them like this, the same size.
Oh yeah, by the way, guys, we might put up some more videos saying like how to make some guns.
Yeah.
So
tomorrow we're gonna make a big machine gun. It's so sick. It's gonna have like a thing that's sticking up and ammo right here.
So tune back, okay? Bye.
Okay, bye.